Guys, so as the weather warms up like it is, our flowers are starting to bloom, our grass is starting to grow, so unfortunately that means spending a little bit more time working in the yard to make it look nice and neat. So those of you with aches and pains probably know that you feel it a little bit more the day or two after you work in the yard, and so I'm here with some of my favorite tips to make working in the yard a little bit less painful, make it not bother you so much the next day or two. So very first thing is a warm-up will likely do you a lot of good. Just a short 5-10 minute walk will get the blood flowing, will loosen up the muscles, kind of prepare your body for what you're about to put it through. Next, you need to make sure you're wearing the proper clothing. So wearing breathable fabric, moisture wicking fabric that's going to keep you cool and dry is going to be your best bet. And then do simple things like wear sunblock, wear a hat, drink plenty of water, all that good stuff. You also want to make sure you're using your equipment properly. So equipment means trimmers, your weed eater, pushing your lawnmower, making sure that you are not trying to use it in awkward positions, trying to use it how it's not intended to be used. And this kind of goes hand in hand with body mechanics. You want to avoid prolonged bending over postures or prolonged reaching overhead, trimming trees postures. Those type of awkward postures, if you have any weakness or any stiff spots, those prolonged postures, they're not great for you, are going to increase your chances of pain and soreness afterwards. So using the equipment properly with the best body mechanics that you can handle, it's going to be the best bet. That also includes simple things like putting a little pad under your knees if you're kneeling, or using a wheelbarrow or a little dolly to help you push things instead of carrying something like a large bag of mulch all over the place. So use things to your benefit that are going to make life easier on you. Other things you can do seem simple, but stay hydrated. It is hot out there, and I know you don't think of working in the yard as exercise, but it is strenuous, it is difficult. You will break a sweat, you need to replenish with some water. Now, we talked about a warm-up prior to the exercise. Just like that, a cool down will be equally as important. So if you can go for another short walk or maybe do a little bit of stretching to help those muscles calm down gradually, then the likelihood of soreness afterwards is reduced. Finally, if anything is causing a lot of pain, is uncomfortable, find a different way to do that activity or just stop it altogether. There's no reason to push yourself harder than you need to if it just means you're going to be sore, stiff, achy the next day.